Insomnia. Insomnia is when you can't sleep properly at night. Example: I drank too much coffee, and now I have insomnia. Wheezing. Wheezing is when you have trouble breathing, and your breath makes a whistling sound. Example: whenever I run too fast, I start wheezing. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is when you have to go to the toilet many times because your stomach is upset. Example: I ate too much spicy food, and now I have diarrhea. Migraine. A migraine is a very strong headache that can make you feel sick. Example: I get migraines when I use my phone too much. Sweating. Sweating happens when your body releases water to cool down. Example: it's so hot today. I'm sweating a lot. Blister. A blister is a small bubble on the skin, usually caused by rubbing or burns. Example: these new shoes gave me a blister on my foot. Toothache. A toothache is pain in or around a tooth. Example: I need to see a dentist. My toothache is getting worse. Congestion. Congestion is when your nose is blocked, making it hard to breathe. Example: I have a cold, and now my nose is congested. Sore throat. A sore throat is when your throat feels painful, especially when you swallow. Example: I can't talk much today. I have a sore throat. Headache. A headache is pain in your head. Example: I didn't drink enough water, so now I have a headache. Constipation. Constipation happens when it's hard to go to the toilet. Example: I need to eat more fiber. I'm feeling constipated. Sprain. A sprain is when you twist a part of your body, like your ankle, and it hurts. Example: I sprained my ankle while running. Fracture. A fracture is when you break a bone. Example: he fell off his bike and fractured his arm. Cold. A cold is a common illness that makes you sneeze and cough. Example: I caught a cold after playing in the rain.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.